So here we got a split fire 3-point hitch log splitter being powered by a PTO Kit option on this log splitter. Now this little Kioti doesn't really have the flow or the pressure to run this machine, so the optional PTO Kit works great on this style of machine. So this PTO Kit is on a 3203, and this option is available on both our 2000 and 3000 series 3-point hitch log splitters. You know, a lot of compact and subcompact tractors don't have the flow or the pressure to run a 3-point hitch log splitter. We typically see older tractors as well. They might not have rear remotes. So this is a great option for people that want to run it on the back of their tractor, and it'll run this machine just like a self-contained machine with this PTO Kit option. The PTO Kit option consists of several components. Firstly, we have the hydraulic reservoir with a bullseye sight glass here so you can tell level, a suction tube that runs down to the PTO pump, and this is sitting on the PTO shaft. That's a torque arm. We have a high pressure line running out of the PTO pump into the valves, and these are the same as you would normally see on a regular 3-point hitch machine. Log splitting, log lifting if you've got the lifting option, and from there we have it going through a filter back into the reservoir. So it's a complete hydraulic system to make the log splitter run as it would if you had good flow or if you had a Honda engine on it. Now, the nice thing with the PTO Kit option is right now the tractor's running just above an idle, and if I want to split at a slower speed, it's got plenty of power to still split logs at just above an idle. Of course, if you want it to go faster, you can speed the tractor up. So there's nothing wrong with running it while it's slower, and this is a little slow for me, so we're going to rev it up a little bit, about half throttle, to get it where I want it to be for speed. So this here is running at 2400 RPM, not quite 540 on the PTO, a little bit slower, but it's right where I like my speed, not too fast and not boringly slow either. So the nice thing is with the PTO Kit, you can vary your speed with plenty of pressure and splitting tonnage. Now the thing is, at a true 540 PTO RPM, this pump is pushing 11.4 gallons a minute. And you know, people always say sometimes it's difficult to hook up. You know, if you get good at it, it can be hooked up in 10 minutes. And if you got a stand, it can come off in less than 10 minutes. So it's pretty quick and easy to hook up. And as far as your maintenance goes, it's just the oil. You're going to put a new filter and switch the oil every 200 hours. So that's a lot of splitting, and you'll have a 3-point hitch log splitter that is virtually little to no maintenance, and it's going to work great for, you know, decades if you buy a split fire. So if you have a compact or subcompact tractor that doesn't have proper flow and pressure for a 3-point hitch log splitter, the PTO pump option is a great way to go. You know, it's a great alternative to having to maintain a Honda motor if you've invested the money into a tractor already. And it's less maintenance also. You don't have to worry about an engine. It's just a PTO kit with the hydraulics, very simple to maintain. You know, if you got questions about fitment or installation, you can watch the how-to video linked below, or give us a call at the office, or see more at split-fire.com.